Hey, Jen. What are you doing? Well, the kids are so pumped they can't stop talking about the 4th of July. I can't wait for you guys to come over. I'm just worried we're not going to get everything done that we have planned. Between football and, oh, don't forget your suits. You know they're going to be in the pool half the day. Get this. Kyle wants to grill this year. I know. I'm going to have to try not to hover. I'll make the margs. It'll be great. Oh, and after the sun goes down, we have to do s'mores. I know. I can't wait. So we have bocce, horseshoes, football, yes, and swimming. Oh, it's gonna be such a great day. Okay, yeah, if you just wanna bring a salad and watermelon, I will see you then. Can't wait. All right, bye.